everyone, welcome to DamoDoes. As you can see from the title and the thumbnail, we will be drawing a silhouette of a witch for this Halloween. All you need is a marker, a pencil, or whatever you have. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. For the hat, make sure you bend it backwards. This shows as though the witch is travelling at very high speeds and all that air and wind is pushing it back. As for the face, you want to go down slightly, add a very long and sharp nose, go down to the chin and then drag the chin all the way to the hat. You just want to do like a cloak like mine, so just do it kind of wavy as though she's flying through the sky. Next up is a broomstick, so a simple line all the way through, so she's sitting on it, and a little brush at the end. It is a silhouette, so it will all just be black, just like mine. There's a ways to get around it, maybe paint it, or just use colouring pencils. I use a marker solely because it's much easier for you all to see what I'm doing. As for the broomstick, make sure it's not perfectly straight. And now just to colour it in. And because it's a silhouette, you could even cut it out and put it on a lampshade to cast a pretty cool shadow. Maybe put on your window, show it off, add a few bumps in maybe just to make it look kind of like a rugged broom. As for the broom hairs, make sure it's not completely black as they are hairs, so it all won't be completely blocked by sunlight. Now for the shadow, you want to just do a line so you know the length from the broomstick all the way to the opposite end, and make it kind of thick so it goes from thin to thick since the witch is sitting on it. Then just fill it in like I have. I use a marker so my edges are kind of rugged, so I'm just going over in Fineliner to smoothen it all out. And there you have it, you've done your very own witch silhouette. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.